Welcome to the FloPlast Technical Team's Technical Tuesday updates, based on our most frequently asked questions. We are often contacted by DIYers, contractors and architects alike about the installation of air admittance valves, more commonly called Durgos or AAVs. And the question that is most regularly asked is about how high do AAVs need to be installed. Before the introduction of the British Standard 12380 for AAVs in 2002, it was a requirement that they were installed above the flood level of the highest appliance draining into the soil and vent pipe that they were attached to. This would most commonly be the flood level of the wash hand basin in the bathroom. Following the introduction of the British Standard, a new criteria was tested for whereby AAVs could be fitted below the flood level of connected appliances. FloPlast valves were the first in the world to achieve this British standard and received the designation of A1. A meaning that it could be used below the flood level, and 1 meaning that it was tested and would operate in a temperature range minus 20 degrees centigrade to plus 60 degrees centigrade. During testing, we discovered that splashing from a flush could spray upwards upon entering the vertical part of the soil and vent pipe, which had the potential to stop the valve working efficiently. And a minimum height requirement of 200 mm was established for 110 mm valves. The same testing was carried out for the mini valve, the AF32, and a height of 100 mm above the waste pipe that it was attached to was established. For more detailed information about air admittance valve, please contact our technical team. Thanks for watching. Please come back again for more informative video updates. Alternatively, visit our website at www.floplast.co.uk, contact our technical team at technical@floplast.co.uk or telephone them on 01795 431 731.